Now we move on to the 19th topic. It is one of the most trickiest topic, but there is a shortcut method. So wait till the end. You can easily solve this and easily get marks for this. But let me show you the exact and natural method how to do this. So it is about recognizing and using special sequences. If it is just recognizing and using special sequence, it's okay. You can do it. And then finding a recursive formula for that, it's a bit hard. Now, if it is a just normal arithmetic sequence or a geometric sequence, you have the recursive formula over here. These are the ones. If you're thinking, what is formulae? Formulae is plural for formula. Now, if it is one formula, we just call it formula. That E denotes many, like many kanun. So like that, that's formulae. Anyways, over here, an equals an minus 1 plus d. As you can see over here, d is common difference, and that is for arithmetic sequence. R is for the common ratio geometric sequence, geometric recursive formula. But let's do these problems. It's very simple. You should see which sequence these are. Obviously, by now you know this is an arithmetic sequence because over here 8 is being added throughout and the d value is 8. And all you need to do is write the recursive formula like this, because in arithmetic sequence the previous term is added by d, common difference, and you get the next term. So over here, just mention for this sequence the starting term is a1. The first term is crucial. That's it. Now the next one over here is a geometric sequence because it's not arithmetic. If you start dividing, you find the same number over here. Start dividing 2, and you can divide other ones also. You will find it is having a common ratio of 3.5. So if you multiply 16 by 3.5, keep on multiplying, you'll get this answer. You will get this sequence. So then all you need to do is a recursive formula for geometric sequence, r times an minus 1. Only r is the substitution. That is it, that's the answer. But you need to write the first term. A1 is 16. So you need to mention that over here. This is easy. Arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence. But what about these? Now, for example, over here, the common difference 7. But no, it's not the same. Is it being multiplied? No, it's not the same multiplication. What are we doing over here? These are all crazy. Now, it took me really a long time to figure out few of these, and some of them it was so hard for me because now who would know cubic numbers? I mean, I then realized it because the difference is too much. It should have been cubic, but initially I couldn't figure this out. I figured out this one because this was similar to square and it was near to squares. It is something square minus 1 because 2 over here you get 4, then 16 minus 1, 225. And this was okay to figure out. But many of them, these, it takes time. It takes a lot of time and it gets confusing. See, the answers are so ridiculous, right? How do we know this? Now, what you need to do is, first of all, you will have 4 options because this is in part B. So you need to match this A1. I'm sure almost all the options will have the A1 as the first term itself. So this is very important, A1, okay. What about the next thing? You, it's very hard for you to manually find out the exact, say for example, exact sequence. What you can do is you just put this A and start solving the numbers. You need to take out your calculator. Select one of the terms in the 4 options. Select one of the term. Now I will choose this one. All you need to do is instead of an, start with the first term. Oh, okay, over here there is one important thing. They have not written an minus 1 or anything. They have just written as n plus 1. It is similar to this. This is as equivalent as an equals to an minus 1 plus 2. Because over here it's 1 extra and this is the previous term. So it's just the same. Don't worry. Now if you're substituting the first term over here a1, over here it'll be a2. So it's the same thing. So now to find the next term of the sequence, all you need to do is substitute the first term, 2 into 3 plus 2. Are you getting the answer? Okay, yes, but you might get for more than one or two options the same thing. Which is the correct answer then? Then instead of an, you can just change and put the next term 8. Am I getting it correct? Yes. Again, change this term, put the 18 number. Whichever sequence, other sequences will just give you wrong after one or two tries. So whichever sequence give you the correct answer is the correct one. Another way is if there are plenty of numbers, say for example over here, 1 divided by 4 into, first time you must write the first term, 32 plus 4. Okay. Now when I press equal to, I'll get 12. Now instead of changing it all the time, what I can do is I can just remove this and put the answer, because the saved answer is 12. I'm getting 7. And now this will be saved as answer. If I press equal to, I'll get the next answer. Same way I can find many number of sequences. Now this is the thing about it. So I hope this is okay. So here you can see there is a common ratio and something else, so it is not very easy to find out. It will take time, especially in such cases. So just put the first value, you will have the sequence, you will have four options. Put the first value over here and find the next term, and do it for a while and you will find only one correct answer. So the same thing over here, because now for example over here 4 times an minus 3, it's hard. It's not impossible, you can, but it'll take a long time to do it. So that's why use the shortcut method, which is very easy, and you will get it very soon. So this is it for that topic number 19. I hope this is clear. I'll repeat the shortcut method again, just quickly recap. You will have four options. It is very hard to find the exact recursive formula just with the question. So use the four options, substitute the first term in the option over here where an or an minus 1 is there, and then find the next term. Substitute the first term, find the next term. If you get this next term, try again for 2 to 3 terms. Only one correct answer will give you all the exact terms, whereas all the other wrong answers may give you one term correct, but others will be wrong. That's it. So see you in the next topic with the next video.